Thank you.
Your good name?
My name is Miwa Sakuraki.
You have come first time or second time or third time in India in Kokrajhar.
India is third time and in Kokuraja it's first time.
After attending this 3 days literary festival, how do you feel?
I was so happy to be here. Before I was excited, but actually it was more fantastic than I imagined.
So you got a chance to meet with several writers like you.
Yes,
How
yes,
do you
yes.
feel about it? You have some experience.
I was impressed because all writers came from different cultures and different situations, but we could share feeling. So this was fantastic. I was encouraged. I want to write more. I feel
How many books did you have wrote till now?
3 books and some anthologies too.
Can you mention a names?
Uh, Actually, so I wrote one short story, which is about India. Like one Japanese woman traveled to India. I wrote this before, but maybe I want to write something again about India.
How is the hospitality here?
It was so great. So I have a student from university, and they are all smart and they are so kind, and also the people who organize this event.
We have seen you online. How do you feel about
You
it?
became very famous in social media.
It's thanks to again thanks to the students. So I'm very appreciate and I'm happy because I also feel same. So we are like a
Similar.
so I feel same like I when I saw people I could feel like they are my relatives, they are like my friends in Japan. I feel same.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank